Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury. And in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing and a first impression video of interior home decor by Amelie Home. I'm super excited because they are a French chic designer company and they do all interior design in French chic. And guys, with my new French farmhouse inspired home, I'm so excited to be doing this unboxing with you guys. The packaging, honestly, the shipment came super fast. I got this within, I'm gonna say 3 days. It was at my doorstep. So the shipping was really fast. I ordered it right from the Amelie Home website. They have reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to do this collaboration. And I was like, absolutely. Item number 1. I'm really excited for this, guys. Oh my God, look how cute it's packaged. This is their Albertine ruffle throw blanket. So it is 50 inches by 60 inches. It has the Amelie Home branding right on the plastic wrap here, which I think is honestly I don't know, I feel like that's very luxe of them. I'm gonna open it up. It's packaged really securely. And I'm just gonna take this throw right out. Oh my God, look how cute the ribbon is. Is this not adorable? Is this not adorable? It comes in all kinds of colors too. I obviously got it in pink, but it also comes in this gorgeous sage green color and a blue color. Here's the tag, really cute. Just says Amelie Home. And then of course you get this gorgeous ribbon, and in gold, it also says Amelie Home. Honestly, it's so cute, even as a gift. Even as a birthday gift or a Christmas present. I mean, if you present this to somebody, I feel like this would be adorable. And this is honestly so soft. Honestly, softer than I had anticipated. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just, I'm so anxious. I'm just gonna take this really cute, luxurious looking tag off. It's so pretty, I really don't wanna unwrap it, but I wanna see how big it is because I read that it's super big online and I just wanna wrap myself in this adorable thing. Okay, so here's the ruffles that I was obsessed with. So it lines, oh, this is big. This is really, okay. I'm gonna have to stand up for this. I'm gonna give you guys a full body, but I knew this is a throw, so this is gonna be pretty big. Honestly, the material is really soft and thicker than I had thought it was going to be. Look at the detailing. Look at the ruffled detailing over this blanket. This is gonna look gorgeous. This is my fancy blanket, even over a bed or something. It's so soft. Isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna show you guys a full body, but I honestly, the reason they have so many blankets and throws and stuff on their website that honestly were all just as beautiful, but I felt like this blanket just stood out from the rest because of this ruffled detailing. I feel like you don't see this a lot in stores. They had beautiful, gorgeous cable knit blankets and stuff, but I don't know, this blanket really just caught my eye, and in person, it has not disappointed. I definitely would classify this as more luxury just because of how soft and thick the blanket actually is. You can definitely use this in the summertime, but I definitely would classify this as more of a winter blanket too. I can see myself just curling up with this in the winter because it definitely has the capability of keeping you warm. I'm gonna bring it up close. You can see the details. I don't see any pools, which is great because sometimes when you order these throws, you'll see some pools in the needlework, and that would be a big red flag to me, but I see no pools, no nothing. I just see pure perfection. And look, could you imagine this blanket in a nursery? I just love how thick and soft the material is and just how unique actually the colors are even. The pink it's like a dusty rose. It's not a baby pink where it looks immature, and it's not it's definitely a dusty rose pink, and then the cream color, it's more of an ivory. So it's definitely a more mature looking blanket, just FYI. It's beautiful. It's definitely an upscaled looking throw. The next product that I had received, which I was like, these are kind of cool, and you guys are gonna be a little shook. I'm a little shook. Okay, so I honestly just thought the concept of these were gonna be, wow. Oh, how cool. Done. Like, you guys already know it. You already know it. The packaging is just freaking gorgeous. I give the packaging an A++. I love the pink and black. Gorgeous. You definitely get in the mood when you're opening these. Like, it gets you excited. The packaging gets you excited. Oh, with love from Amelie Home. Look at, you even get this gorgeous, like, look at that little notice. Like, I love it. I got slippers. And, oh, look how cute. Oh my God. They are turkey feather slippers. Turkey feather slippers, yes. Look at these. Oh my God, like I need a moment to like take these in. They are incredible. Look at these slippers. I'm speechless. Oh my God, with love. They even come with like a little card, like this cute little card you can write to somebody as a gift. Like, stop. Oh my God, and I ordered size 7. I am a true 7, so I'm definitely gonna try these on for you, but let's just go over these. First of all, these are giving like Madame vibes. Like, are you not feeling luxe? Like, this is putting me in a mood, girl. First of all, love this packaging. I'm gonna keep these because I'm gonna wanna store those correct because they're real turkey feathers. First of all, I'm gonna wrap myself with this. This is when you get your cup of tea or your morning coffee. When you wake up, the sun is shining, the birds are chirping. You slip these little luxurious things on, wrap yourself up in this gorgeous, like look even how it like kind of lays and drapes over my body. That's like a nice piece of material. Just the way it drapes over you. Oh, the feathers are just so soft. And then like here, it's like a suede and the bottoms are actually rubber. So if you have to go outside for whatever reason, just because I don't know, you wanna like open your window or you wanna get some fresh air and go water the roses because you're just feeling extra, you can do that. They come in sizes 6, 7, 8, and 9. They don't come in half sizes. I got size 7 because I'm a true US size 7. They come in the color emerald, sand, and blush. These are the color blush because, well, I have to be pink because I'm so pink. I just wanna show you that they did come with like a cardboard thing here to keep them with their shape. I'm actually gonna keep these because I wanna keep these preserved. And all in here is super soft. Like, and it's soft underneath too. Like it's the same fabric as here and it's soft throughout. So they don't skimp out on the fabric there. So that's good. These seem like they're gonna be very comfortable. Okay guys, so that concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed these products as much as I have. I'm very impressed with this brand. I'm definitely impressed with the throw blanket. I'm so impressed with these slippers. Definitely very, very high quality. I think when a brand says that they're a luxury anything, their quality needs to be there, and I'm obsessed with the fabrics. I'm obsessed with how soft these slippers are, and I'm very, very happy with my 2 items. I cannot wait to put them on display around my home. I can't wait to walk around with these and feel like a princess. So honestly, stay tuned on my Instagram because these will probably be in so many pictures. I'm going to link these down below, and I'm also going to post Amelie Home's websites down below so you guys can go check out whatever products they have. And until next time, stay luxe, stay fabulous, and good luck decorating your gorgeous homes. Love you guys. Bye.